Hey, good morning everyone. Oh my gosh, long time. So this has been a long time since I picked up a camera, I've vlogged, I've updated you guys on my life, and yeah, so I thought I should just get back to it. It's been a while since I've vlogged, picked up a camera, or even posted on YouTube. Just long story short, I just got really busy. I just didn't pick up a camera and vlog. I am just gonna give you guys a brief summary of what happened so far, a little brief life update. If you don't want to hear this, then I'm gonna put a timestamp to when this vlog actually starts. I stopped vlogging around March, May, I don't really remember. Moved out that apartment with my roommate and I basically moved back home. Went back home to San Francisco, stayed there for the summer, worked over the summer. I worked at Nordstrom over the summer. I came back to Los Angeles in October and I moved into a whole new apartment building complex. I now live alone in a studio. My studio is pretty small, but it is honestly the right size for me because I can see everything around the studio. I like that I can see everything. I am finished with FIDM in December, and after December I'm going to be moving back home to San Francisco to complete my credits to be transferred to a Cal State school. It's gonna be exciting. So then by fall 2020 I will be in a whole new school for my bachelor's degree, which is super exciting, and I'm so excited for that. Now the actual vlog starts. So today I am just going to be vlogging. I'm just going to do college days in my life because I only have classes Monday through Wednesday. Since I'm only taking 3 classes this quarter to finish up my program, I have classes Monday through Wednesday, so I'll probably just vlog those days and just see how it's like to be a college fashion design student. This week is kind of busy. Today is not that busy. I only have class from 3:30 to 6:15, and then after a friend is coming over and we're going to be doing homework together. I'm waiting for my groceries to come because I did a grocery delivery, and then I can do a grocery haul if you guys are interested in that. And I'm gonna make some breakfast and get ready for the day. I might go to the gym, but I do have to talk to the management office downstairs, so I'm gonna go do that, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so I just got my groceries, a grocery delivery from Vaughn's, just because a grocery delivery to my location, and it's pretty cheap. So I got 1 steak. I'm just gonna set these aside. Got 1 whole thing of chicken. I wanted to try a new creamer, so I got this cinnamon vanilla coffee creamer, 2 soaked dairy-free vanilla yogurt. I got another one, and then I got honey ham from Hillshire Farms. Probably gonna make a sandwich or something. There's so much more bags here, so I'm gonna just take it out as I show you guys. So I got 100% whole wheat bread. My favorite trail mix that ever converted me to. It is the Mountain Mix trail mix that I freaking love. That's gonna last me forever, to be honest. And then I got the Ajax Ultra Super Degreaser. And this, oh no, this is not the one. It's the wrong one, but it is the Christmas cookies. I wanted to get the circle sugar cookies with the Christmas tree on them. I got a lemon and 3 bananas, a tomato and a sweet potato, 1 pasta sauce, avocado. These are dark chocolate chips that I wanted to put into yogurt or overnight oats. It looks like it is the taquitos. And then there's more. Let me just walk you to it. And then this is all mine. I left it in the hallway, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waters, eggnog, and juice. I'm gonna put all those away. This is gonna last me 2 weeks. It looks like it can feed a family of 4. Super excited, so I'm gonna go put these away. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm playing Friends. I made my to-do list for the day. This is how my planner kind of looks like. I got this planner a while ago. I got it from Target. I have to take out the bread and yogurt. There's old bread and yogurt that I kind of left here because I wasn't home for a good amount of time. I wasn't home for 5 days, and I made pumpkin bread and I forgot that it was in the fridge, so I had to take it out because it's old, and put it in the trash chute and wash the tray. So I did that. I put my groceries away. I need to get my group 1 portfolio together. I have to print things at school. I needed to talk to management. I have to cut out my manila patterns for for my other garment. I have to return a library book. I always like to put relax here because I always want to make sure I do that, especially since I'm such a busy person. I want my mind to relax like on the daily. And then I have to recycle a bunch of things downstairs. But right now I'm going to go ahead and put on some makeup and I'm gonna make some food. I need to register for my other classes, my community college credit. I'm gonna go do that because registration was on Friday and I did not register, so I'm gonna probably try and do that. Hey everyone, so I just got ready. I put on a face of makeup because I thought I should look presentable or somewhat presentable stepping out of my apartment. I let my hair down and I'm in my outfit. I can show you guys a quick outfit of the day, but I have little Christmas things here and there. Please don't mind that bag because I'm in the process of transforming my apartment from Thanksgiving, Halloween, fall to Christmas because I love Christmas and I thought I should decorate it early even though it's not Thanksgiving yet. I'm going to show you guys my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this turtleneck top that I got from Charlotte Russe years and years ago. This bralette from PacSun. This belt from Forever 21, and then these jeans that I ripped up from Nasty Gal, their boyfriend jeans. Still need to put on my shoes and jewelry. I'm gonna get something to eat or make something to eat because I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna go do that. I'll talk to you guys after. I put my hair up. I need to be in freaking concentration mode for like the last few hours. It's like 2 o'clock and I have class at 3:30. I did not eat anything at all. I only drank like a few sips of water. I pretty much didn't eat and I barely had dinner last night and I don't know how I'm running on no food. I'm gonna go ahead and make some food right now. I did have a grocery delivery, so I have like no excuse in buying food in the cafe downstairs. I really want to buy food at the cafe downstairs because I don't want to like make foods. We will see. There's like this breakfast plate that like is really good and I might buy it downstairs right now, so I'm probably gonna do that because I'm gonna make like my overnight oats and stuff when I come back home tonight. I have so much to do on my computer that I can't be doing everything at once, so I'm gonna go ahead and just like step out of the apartment and get some work done. So talk to you later. Hey guys, so it's been a while. I have a special friend here, but she doesn't want to say hi because she's camera shy. Last time I talked to you guys was class. I'm gonna turn this music off before I get copyrighted. I just got home a while ago and I've been basically draping this baby. Well, I'm making like a peplum skirt thing. I have a sketch and everything and my friend's helping me figure it out. I've been working on her for a while and now I'm about to make taquitos for the both of us. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing for the rest of the night. About 9 o'clock. I don't know, I'll be up for a while, but I'm also vlogging tomorrow, so update you then. Good morning. It's the next morning now and I'm just making my morning tea. It is actually pretty late. It's 10:30. I woke up and I did not feel too great. I stayed in bed for a little while. I've been awake since 9. I fell like in and out of sleep, so I just stayed in bed till 10:20, something like that. Now I am just making my breakfast. I'm boiling some water and I'm gonna try this honey citron and ginger tea that my parents got me from Costco, and basically you just put 2 to 3 teaspoons of the tea and of the citron into hot water, cold water, and then stir it, and then it's your tea. So it's great. And then I just toasted 2 breads right now. I'm about to put some peanut butter and banana on it. Talk to you later. This is what I made. There's peanut butter under here with banana and honey, and then this is my tea in my gobble mug. So I have to go and make my bed and just get ready for the day. Hey everyone, so I suck at vlogging. Last time I talked to you was earlier this morning when I was making my breakfast. So basically I went to school right after I made my breakfast and I was doing a lot of my homework there, all my patterns. So patterns again is like basically like the shapes and blocks that you need in order to make a garment which is like something like that on my dress form. I needed to make the patterns for that. I do have hardwood floor. It's just that I don't want to like stay on the floor. It like kind of hurts my back. So I like to go and use a table and cut things there. There was also like paper there too. But I needed like specific paper that I needed. So I needed some of that. So I just went to school and I worked with some of my classmates, which motivated me to get a lot of stuff done. Now I'm just gonna go and make some dinner. It is around like, it is 4:45, so it's pretty much like dinner time now. I like make some food because I am hungry. I did have some trail mix packed, which is right over there. Still need to eat, so I'm gonna go and make some food right now and put on a movie or something, just take a break. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is what my floor is looking like right now. I am playing Michael Bublé on the TV. This is a sample, so basically a sample fit for a garment is like a first draft, like an essay. So basically you just do your patterns, cut it out, sew it. If there's any corrections you need to make, then you would find that out through your samples. That's what I'm doing. I have to make 2 of these. I'm already almost done for one of them, and it's 7:31, and I really need to stop procrastinating because I'm freaking out. Every Tuesday I literally cry because I have so much to do every single damn Tuesday, and I pretty much have done so many all-nighters already. Well, it's not really an all-nighter. I've gotten 4 hours of sleep 3 times already. The quarter is almost done, but this might be time number 4. I'm not sure. I'll have to prepare my apartment tomorrow for pest control to come because there is a little drama with some cockroaches and pests throughout the building, so they're just going to spray my room to make sure it's like good, so everything's gonna be fine. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So it is about 7:30 a.m. exactly, and I just finished prepping my apartment. There is some drama with the apartment complex that I live in downtown LA. Downtown LA is basically infested with a bunch of rodents, cockroaches included. This apartment kind of has like a problem with cockroaches. My situation isn't super bad. They're just spraying rooms today. They're gonna be spraying my room today just to make sure everything is all clear. Yes, I've seen a few, but I don't have an infestation. They're just spraying like a few rooms today, so my room's gonna be sprayed. So I had to prep my apartment accordingly, just like take out the stuff from the cupboards in the kitchen and the bottom cabinets and put them under a sheet. So I have like that there too, and then like a lot of stuff in the bathroom. So on my desk, and I covered it with like one of my Christmas sheets, and I need to wash these sheets. I wash these sheets like right after they get treated, and they spray because they put like a stink bomb here. And then you have to take out the bathroom drawers and then turn them upside down, and I don't have any countertop space for my bathroom. And I have water gallons here. I put like a note. This is basically counters. It said to empty out the counter space, but I didn't do this before. I feel like it should be fine. I'd be coming here while I'm in class, so it's pretty convenient. Hey everyone, so it is 4:35. I came home at 3:30 and I called the pest control people, and they said that like I can be in my apartment because everything's all good in here. I like was really super hungry, so I went downstairs to our cafe. I just sat down there for like an hour and watched some YouTube videos and ate. I could make food here, but I would have to put everything back, and my energy was at 0. I'm feeling better now. I'm just gonna sit around, make my to-do list for the day, I guess, and then I am going to go to the gym. Then I'm going to eat dinner. I'm just going to make my to-do list. I have a 6-hour class, so that's like my only class for the day. Tuesdays are super busy because I have one class. Usually for the rest of the day I have to work on my stuff for Wednesday. today. And then I'm also in the process of transferring schools. I have to do that too. Just a lot of things to do and so little time. Next week is Thanksgiving, so I am flying home. I haven't showed you guys my outfit. I'm literally wearing this Nike hoodie. It's really oversized, a top from American Eagle, and some leggings. And I'll talk to you guys later.